Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to solve question 8.10 of chapter 8 of the book Probability and Statistics for Engineers and Scientists by Walpole. Okay, and the statement of our question is: for the sample of reaction times in exercise 8.3, calculate A, the range, B, the variance using the formula 8.2.1. okay, so this was basically a question 8.3 which we have already solved, and here before solving it we have sorted out all our data points. These are now in order. Okay, we can see that these are from the smallest to the largest number. So to find the range of it, let me find the range of it. To find the range, we have to subtract the lowest one from the highest one. So the highest one here is 4.3 and the lowest possible number here is 2.3. so this is now 2.0. okay, so the range of the numbers here is 2.0. okay, so that is basically the solution of the part A of our question. In part B, the variance using the formula of form 8.2.1, what was basically the 8.2.1. to find out the variance, we had a formula and it was here from I equal to 1 up to the nth number. It was the ith number minus the mean of all those numbers divided by the n minus 1, where n is the total number of the data points. Okay, so here we have how many data points? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 data points. So n is 9 here. Okay, let me put all these values here. What is the value of this mean? This is already found out in our video in which we have solved question 8.3. so this was 3.2. so let me write it and let me use this color for it. Okay, so this is B. okay, in B the first point is what? That was basically 2.5. here we can see that 2.5 minus the mean, which is 3.2 whole square, plus second point is 3.6. so 3.6 minus 3.2 whole square, plus then 3.1 minus 3.2 whole square, plus then 4.3 minus 3.2 whole square, plus okay, then 2.9 minus 3.2 whole square. okay, here we have it. Let me solve the remaining ones here. Okay, so this is shifted here. Now up to 2.9 we had it here. So now 2.3 minus 3.2 whole square, plus 2.6 minus 3.2 whole square, plus the next one is 4.1 minus 3.2 whole square. okay, and with it the last one is 3.4 minus 3.2 whole square, and dividing it the whole over n minus 1. so this is 8. okay, so finding it, the variance of it would be 0.4975, which is almost equal to 0.5, and that is basically the solution of part B of our question. okay, so in this way we have solved question 8.10. if you guys have any question related to the solution of our problem, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.